Okay, we're looking at problem number 1 from lesson 4-5 on page 226. It says solving our quadratic equation by factoring. So what are the solutions of the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0? We're going to use this this property here. It's called the zero product property to find our solution. Since we know it's equal to 0, we know that if we have two items, we multiply two things and we get a product of 0, then that means that one of those numbers has to be 0. So if I have A times B equals 0, then A has to be 0 or B has to be 0. So let's take this and factor it so that we can have two products. So factoring is from a previous section. So I know 2 times 3 gives me 6, and 2 plus 3 gives me 5, but I need a negative 5. So I'll do negative 2 times negative 3, that gives me negative 5, and negative 2 times negative 3 gives me positive 6. So I get x minus 2 times x minus 3 equals 0. So now I have two products, so I can take both of those and set them equal to 0. So I'm going to solve for x for both of them. So the first one I'll add 2, and I get x equals 2. Here I'll add 3, and I get x equals 3. So my two solutions are x equals 3 and x equals 2. And that means that when I'm looking at my quadratic, the places where it's going to cross the x-axis are the 0 of my function, or the solution of my function will be at x equals 2 and x equals 3. I hope this helps.